Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. Good morning. This is Shishi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a new topic. The topic named the morning walking. Benefit of morning walking. Please watch my full video and follow us, subscribe my channel. That's why you will be able to see my all content while I'll publish my every single content into my channel, and this content will be very helpful for your daily life. Speaking, that's why I'm creating this kind of content in a day, like morning, evening, or afternoon. So this is time for let's beginning. So please don't waste your time and enjoying my this kind of content. And I hopefully this content will be very effective for your speaking English journey. So this is time for let's beginning. Today is 19 December, year of 2025, day of Friday. This is called a holiday, and this is called a fantastic day, and this is called a amazing morning. I get amazing morning here. That's why I'm walking at this field. This is look like a bill, and this bill is now is empty. There is no crowd or there is no people are walking right now here. That's why this is called a morning time at now. Time at 6:40 a.m. That's why this is called a at a very fast pace at a day. That's why there is no man walking right now in this field or at this bill. I'm the only man who are walking at this field. So this is look like a amazing journey for me, and I like enjoying this kind of journey with alone, because man is a alone. Believe me or not, man is a alone. There is no partner of his or her with lifetime, because everyone is temporary. Believe me or not, without your family like your father and mother, except that there is no one permanent in your life. So man must have practice to stay with alone. Oh my goodness, can we imagine this? How beautiful here, how beautiful right now here. Oh my goodness, this is look like a fantastic, and it's look like a outstanding scenario. That's why I'm enjoying this kind of weather or atmosphere. You can say weather or atmosphere, doesn't matter which one you are afraid to use of English speaking. Oh my goodness. And behind of me, this is look like a bit of foggy falling of me or behind of me, and this is called a rice field, or this is called a paddy field. Last 1 month ago in this field there's a lot of paddy, but right now there is no paddy at this field because time is over. That's why winter season is coming, and after some days later in this field the farmer will harvesting, or the farmer will put some kind of crops, and also they are already harvest at this field. It's look like a white, and look like a garlic. This is called a garlic, and there are a few kind of crops like onion, garlics, white and greens. Everywhere is foggy. That's why this is called also foggy morning at this winter morning. So thank you everyone for staying connected. Oh, sorry for that. Now I will discuss with you effective of morning walk to our body, to our health, to our fitness, because morning is the key to any kind of day or any kind of time of that day, because morning time is your initial phase. At this field, if you are well start, that time your whole day will good, or your whole day will amazing. That's why this is called a morning walk is the key of any kind of work. So please don't waste your morning. Please try to do better at your morning, at your work, because morning work will temporary, not morning work wouldn't temporary, it will be any kind of permanent work. That's why this is too much crucial time at this morning. And now I will showing with you some kind of morning beauty, and this is look like a dewy morning. But do you hear with me? This is look like a beauty at this morning. This is called a dewy morning. The dew is falling at this greens. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't prolong my content because time is short. I stay connected with you within very short time. So please stay tuned with me until I back. Inshallah I will back within very short time. So this is time for say bye. Please stay tuned with me and connect with me. Bye.